In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change Arabic number to English in Adobe Acrobat. Let's start by opening Adobe Acrobat. Give it a moment to load so you're on the main home screen. To make the change easier to see, open one of your recent files. This isn't strictly required, but having a document visible helps you confirm what changes take effect in the interface and in certain panels or form fields as you go. With a file open, move to the upper left corner of the screen and click the main menu. This is where Acrobat keeps its global settings and tools. From that menu, choose Preferences. Preferences is the control center for how Acrobat looks and behaves, and it's exactly where we need to switch languages. In the Preferences window, look to the side panel on the left and find the language category. If you have a lot of categories, you may need to scroll a bit to spot it. Click Language to reveal its options. You'll see a section labeled Application Language. This determines the language used for Acrobat's interface, things like menus, tool names, dialogues, and, in some cases, how certain elements such as form field prompts and panels display numerals. Select English as the application language. This tells Acrobat to use English labels and, where applicable, English numerals in the interface. After you've selected English, click OK to apply the setting. At this point, Acrobat updates its language preference. In many setups, you'll notice the interface switch to English right away. If it doesn't appear immediately, don't worry, that can depend on your environment and version. The important thing is that the preference is saved, and you'll see it reflected the next time the interface refreshes. Now take a quick look around your open document. Menu names, tooltips, and panels should be in English. If you're working with form tools or certain panels that auto-generate content, you should also see English numerals appear there. Keep in mind that this change affects the application interface. Any numbers that are part of the PDF's original text are embedded in the document itself. Those won't change automatically because they're part of the content, not the interface. If you need to alter embedded numerals inside the PDF, that would involve editing the document content and fonts, which is outside the scope of this walkthrough. To recap, we opened Acrobat, displayed a document for reference, went to the upper left menu, opened Preferences, selected Language, chose English under Application Language, and clicked OK. That's all you need to set Acrobat to use English numerals and interface labels where applicable. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you work more comfortably in Acrobat.